CNC, computer numerical control machines, are automated manufacturing devices that utilize computer programming to control machine tools. There are various types of CNC machines, each designed for specific applications and machining processes. CNC milling machine. CNC milling machines use rotary cutting tools to remove material from a workpiece by advancing or feeding a cutter into the workpiece at a certain direction. It can perform various operations like drilling, cutting, and shaping on different materials such as metal, plastic, and wood. CNC lathe machine. CNC lathes are used to machine cylindrical workpieces by rotating them and cutting away excess material with a cutting tool. They are particularly useful for creating symmetrical parts such as shafts, bolts, and bushings. CNC router. CNC routers are primarily used for cutting and carving wood, plastic, and other soft materials. They operate similarly to milling machines but are optimized for woodworking applications. They are commonly used in the production of furniture, cabinetry, and decorative items. CNC plasma cutter. CNC plasma cutters use a high-velocity jet of ionized gas, plasma, to cut through electrically conductive materials such as steel, aluminum, brass, and copper. They are commonly used in metal fabrication for cutting complex shapes and designs. CNC laser cutter. CNC laser cutters utilize a high-powered laser beam to cut, engrave, or mark materials like wood, plastic, metal, and glass. They offer high precision and can cut intricate patterns quickly, making them suitable for various applications including signage, jewelry making, and prototyping. CNC wire EDM, electrical discharge machining. CNC wire EDM machines use a thin wire electrode to cut through conductive materials by generating electrical discharges between the wire and the workpiece. This process is ideal for producing intricate shapes and features in hard metals without inducing mechanical stress. CNC water jet cutter. CNC water jet cutters utilize a high-pressure jet of water mixed with an abrasive substance to cut through a wide range of materials including metal, stone, glass, and composites. They offer versatility in cutting various shapes and thicknesses without heat-affected zones. These are some of the common types of CNC machines, each with its specific capabilities and applications in various industries. CNC, computer numerical